I'm going to be showing you how to calculate the total surface area of a sphere. Now let's try and think about where we can find spheres in our everyday life. Well, any type of tennis ball, basketball, golf ball, softball, baseball, they are all shapes of spheres. So spheres are basically 3D versions of a 2D circle. Okay, they've come to life. If you like going to the beach, a beach ball is a common example of a sphere. All right, they're just some ideas. I'm sure that you can think of some yourself as well. Now, to find the total surface area of a sphere, you need to use the formula of TSA equals 4 pi r squared. Okay, the total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. Now, this whole entire thing is the area of the entire curved surface. So, the entire curved ball. Imagine that this is a planet out in space. This is the surface area of the entire planet. So the only variable that we need to substitute into this formula is the r, and r stands for radius, just like a 2D circle, and it says here that our radius in this specific sphere is 9.8 meters. So since 9.8 equals r, we put 9.8 in this r here. So we would go like this. The TSA equals 4. Remember, no gaps equals imaginary time sign. So times, and then the pi, and then times the radius squared, which is 9.8. Okay, so one step, not as difficult as some of the other shapes, but still easy to make mistakes if you don't read this number carefully, or you get given a diameter, which is the whole entire length, and you put that in instead of the radius. So in here in this formula, you are always putting half of the sphere, so the radius. Now you're going to put that into your formula, your calculator exactly as you see it, like I always say. So 4 times pi, the actual button, another thing I always say, times 9.8 squared, okay, equals, and the total surface area equals 1,206. Point to 2 decimal places is 87. Now we are working in meters here, so I'll write meters and then squared because we're dealing with area.